What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And as you can see, the mini bike's in the garage. We're trying to get ready for the Christmas special, and I'm a procrastinator. Not really, but been really busy. I'm trying to get this bike ready because we're trying to get a bunch of bikes ready. As the video's already been posted, this is way in the past / future. I know it's all confusing. But I film all my videos in advance. But Christmas special, I do try to get on time. But yes, we're trying to get a bunch of bikes ready for the Christmas burnout. It's not even really happened since I'm still prepping. It's the 15th or so. So I got 10 days to Christmas, but I like to upload on Wednesday, which I think would be the 23rd or so. But yes, we still got to get my bike running, my baby, the blue one, the original, the OG. So we did go get some more parts. We got a new front axle because we did change up the whole fork system, and then we also got copper washers for the brake system because it did leak before, and we're changing brake fluid. We're going from .3 to .4. I was told that should be better on the brake system, shouldn't leak, and should be able to handle more heat. So yeah, we're gonna try to install that in this video. So let's just jump right into the time lapse. Alright guys, so that's going to end this little time lapse for tonight. I will come back tomorrow. I got the brake installed on the handlebars, but the brake caliper's down there. One thing I did mean to check is if it had the bolts with it. Perfect. Bolts are still on it. So I'll be able to hook that up tomorrow and then bleed it, hopefully. I am going to try to have one of my buddies come over tomorrow to help bleed it. It'd be easier. I do have a vacuum bleeder, but just to be easier. I still need to get the back sprocket lined up and then it all tightened down so the tire doesn't wobble one side or the other. So the chain doesn't pop off and fly off. And so my brake works. I don't have a live axle, so it makes it a little harder, but you know, it's fine. Maybe we'll go live axle later. Possibly. Don't know. But yeah, we'll just jump into tomorrow's time lapse. Alright guys, come back with another update. So the brake took a long time to bleed, but we did end up getting it to bleed. We zip tied it shut for a couple days. We'll open. And it bled, and I feel like it's strong. Feels good on this now. So we're going to freaking run with it. So now we just got to install, oh, I probably should be on this side. Now we just got to install the gas tank and fill her up. We're going to start her, get her, double check that she idles and everything and revs up, and then we'll install the chain. And then we'll go for the first little test drive.
Oh yeah.
So the first test drive will be in another video though. So that will be the end of this episode. But the bike's coming back, guys. Is this all the mods? No, but the bike's coming back. We still got to paint some stuff. We got to finish welding up stuff and make it clean. We'll probably do that off camera. Maybe paint back on camera, but yeah. So let's just jump right into the time lapse. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. We got the thing running and driving, braking and everything. So we're going to have this next video. It's going to be the first driving video on it. And so yeah, so stay tuned for that. And then we'll take this part, finish painting everything, get it all good to go. And go for some more rips. She's going to be sick. And also then after that, build a custom tank. So, but hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We finally got my baby back. The OG mini bike, the blue mini bike, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.